In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best deep cycle battery available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the deep cycle battery list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the deep cycle battery mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 4PCS LiitoKala 3.2V30 Li-FePO4 battery cell. This 4-piece set of LiitoKala 3.2V30 Li-FePO4 battery cells is ideal for DIY power projects, offering reliable deep cycle performance. With lithium iron phosphate technology, these cells provide stable energy storage, making them well suited for creating custom 12V, 24V, 36V, or 48V battery systems. Perfect for solar energy setups, UPS power systems, or electric vehicle applications, these cells feature high capacity, extended lifespans, and enhanced safety. The deep cycle design ensures consistent power delivery, even under demanding conditions, while their compact form factor allows for flexible installations in various setups. Number 4, LiitoKala 12.8V Li-FePO4 battery, 120Ah/100Ah/90Ah, with built-in 100A BMS. This LiitoKala 12.8V Li-FePO4 battery is available in 120Ah, 100Ah, and 90Ah options, each providing up to 4,000 deep cycles for long-lasting power. Built with a robust 100A BMS, it ensures optimal safety and performance for use in motors, solar systems, and other power applications. This battery is designed for reliable, eco-friendly power storage, making it an excellent choice for energy-saving systems. Its lithium iron phosphate chemistry offers stable voltage and thermal management, providing efficiency and longevity for off-grid power solutions. Number 3, Li-FePO4 Deep Cycle Battery 12V, 100Ah/120Ah/200Ah/300Ah, with upgraded BMS, available from EU stock. This Li-FePO4 Deep Cycle Battery comes in 100Ah, 120Ah, 200Ah, and 300Ah capacities, featuring an upgraded BMS for enhanced safety. Designed for golf carts, marine trolling motors, and other heavy-duty applications, this battery is built for durability in high performance. Its deep cycle technology provides long-lasting energy, perfect for demanding environments. Ideal for RVs, solar setups, and marine uses, this battery supports sustainable energy storage while ensuring reliable power delivery. Number 2, 12V 150,000 mAh Lithium 18650 Deep Cycle Battery. This 12V 150,000 mAh lithium deep cycle battery is tailored for portable power needs, perfect for solar setups, fish finders, and outdoor applications like camping or off-grid setups. Equipped with a USB port for added versatility, it provides convenient device charging while offering substantial energy storage. The battery's lightweight design and high capacity make it a practical solution for powering various equipment on the go, ensuring long-lasting power for remote adventures or backup energy needs. Number 1, BOTTIONE 12.8V Li-FePO4 battery, 50Ah/100Ah/120Ah/200Ah. The BOTTIONE 12.8V Li-FePO4 battery, available in 50Ah, 100Ah, 120Ah, and 200Ah sizes, is a reliable power source for RVs, campers, marine trolling motors, and other applications. With tax-free shipping across the EU and US, this battery offers hassle-free acquisition and high-quality construction. Its lithium iron phosphate composition and deep cycle capabilities make it ideal for sustained, reliable power. Tailored for various outdoor and off-grid needs, this BOTTIONE battery provides durability and dependable energy delivery, ensuring continuous performance across a range of setups.